Well, we got a lot done this week, and we have a lot of things bolted on. Bumperettes are on. License plate bracket, new handle. Nice work there with the Spire tire carrier. All the glass is in. I've shown you all that. And just again, so many things. Can't keep track of them all. Looks great, especially underneath the hood here. Next week will be a big week. The push will be on to pretty much complete it. And we do have that turn signal there, it's not on. And the last thing we have to put in the paint is the hard top, the actual fiberglass portion. That will go on. We've had it pre-fit, and it fit up there just nicely. So you'll see that go into paint and be installed. The interior will go back in, and we'll be driving it shortly.